Okay, so this video is about the payment screen. So can you make the payment screen exactly same as what you see here? This is the Uber app. We don't need the country here, the US, but we do need the zip code because you don't have the zip code right now, so we do need that. And if you notice that they have the or thing in between, and then they also have the add payment, which is sort of like the save button above. So if you see, if I enter 37729901651001, so basically the add payment will become enabled once I enter, like all this as well, which is obvious. So similar to this is what you can do. And then once I click on add payment, so right now you can follow this format of showing everything separately, or the format that you have currently is also fine. When I say format, I mean you display everything right here on the, so the CVV code and etc. you show right here, which is also fine, is what I mean. And then one bug here that you have is also, so if I go back to our app and on the payment screen, so if I enter the credit card number, you will notice that it says month and year here, but it expects me to enter 4 digits for the year. So let's say if I enter 0820, see it is asking for more digits, 2020. So it was showing YY, but it is asking for YYYY. So that's another bug. But in general, you can try to make the payment same as what I see on Uber. Thank you.